This is the only sewing reference you will ever need, with step-by-step photographs to show you how to sew absolutely everything. Whether you are sewing clothes, making soft furnishings, or doing alterations, master every hand sewing and machine sewing technique with close-up photographs and clear instructions to demystify the trickiest techniques. Choose from 10 stylish projects to practice your skills. With in-depth coverage of tools, techniques, and fabric, this is the ultimate sewing Bible for beginners and seasoned stitchers alike. Fully illustrated and easy to use, this sewing book covers all the essential skills and techniques for successful hand and machine sewing. It's a must-have for beginners and expert stitchers alike. Comprehensive step-by-step instructions cover everything from cutting out patterns to making sleeves and stitching hems. Accompanied by close-up photographs, clear instructions, and a glossary of sewing terminology to demystify even the trickiest technique. This book will help you advance from a sewing learner to a seasoned stitcher in no time. Find the link below and buy the book now.